Egg tray machine, rotary driving and cool. Pressing adopt servo, motor and accurate gearbox. To control the accurate position. The machine has PLC control. The cylinder without rod drives. The stacking, counting device. This can count the egg tray. Tray stacking quantity accurately. Each stacking numbers are adjustable. This is more accurate. Ends the manual counting history. The drying pulse adopts out and down air spraying structure. The burner and burner. House install on the top. This decreases a lot the drying. House by renewal. At the same time, this saves the space. The wet exhaust motor. Is controlled by inverter. To reach good will. Exhaust effect by adjustment. The air fan rotating speed. This decreases heat. This decreases heat.